In this video, you'll learn how to change the workspace icon on Slack. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully updated your workspace's visual identity in the application. Begin by launching the Slack application on your device. If you are using the web version, navigate to the Slack website and log into your account. Ensure that you are accessing the correct workspace where you wish to change the icon. Once you are logged in, locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. At the top of the sidebar, you will see the name of your current workspace. Click on the workspace name to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will contain various options related to your workspace settings. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Administration. This action will redirect you to the admin settings page. Here, you will find various settings that you can adjust for your workspace. After entering the admin settings, look for the workspace settings option and click on it. This will take you to a new screen dedicated to customizing your workspace. It is important to ensure that you have the necessary permissions to make changes, as only workspace owners or admins can change the icon. Once you are on the workspace settings page, locate and click on the button labeled Settings. This will lead you to the settings overview where you can find additional customization options. On the settings page, look for the section titled Customize. Clicking on this will open a new set of options specifically for your workspace's visual elements. This is where you will be able to change the icon. You will now find an option labeled Workspace Icon. Clicking on this will bring you to the icon customization area. Here, you will see guidelines for the workspace icon, including recommended dimensions and file types. It is advisable to prepare an icon that meets these specifications to ensure optimal display. Next, click on the button that says Upload a new icon. This action will prompt you to select a file from your device. Make sure your file size is manageable, as larger files may take longer to upload based on your internet speed. After clicking Upload a new icon, a file selection dialog will appear. Click on the option labeled Choose a file to browse your device's storage for the new icon you wish to use. It is beneficial to check your available storage if you are working with multiple files. Once you've selected the desired icon, confirm your choice by clicking on the Upload Icon button. This will initiate the upload process. Depending on your internet connection speed, there might be a brief waiting period before the icon is uploaded. After the upload is complete, you will see an option to crop icon. Click on this to adjust the positioning of your newly uploaded icon. This step allows you to ensure that the icon appears correctly in your workspace. Once you've made any necessary adjustments, confirm the cropping by clicking the corresponding button. This finalizes the change and updates your workspace icon across Slack. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.